Are you looking for inspiration for your summer tabletop? Well, look no further. Relatively Refined has got you covered. Hi everyone, my name is Paula, and in this video, my sisters Kathleen, Patty, and I will be sharing 3 different summer tablescapes. Each of us has slightly different style, so we hope you'll enjoy watching the differences between us. One thing we do share, however, is a love of thrifting and finding pre-loved items. And so for the most part, these tablescapes were created using items we had on hand, we were gifted, or we thrifted. We hope you enjoy. All right, here is an overview of what we are working with for this tablescape. I had 3 potential tablecloths to choose from. I had this gorgeous kind of lavender and turquoise colored one that I got years ago at a yard sale. I had this really fun Florida summer tablecloth. This is kind of like a souvenir piece. I got it probably 25 years ago, honestly. Maybe 22, but at least 20 years ago at a tag sale. And then this strawberry tablecloth, which I got at a local thrift store for $2. Over here, I have my flatware. This was a gift from my mom. She got it for me at her Habitat for Humanity restore. I have a whole, I think it's a service for 8 or 10. Then I have these really fun snack trays. I found these at Goodwill in their original box. They're not necessarily popular these days, and you see them often, but this was a whole set with the teacups intact and all the plates, and that's a rarity. Usually you can find them, they're missing teacups or they're missing a plate, but these were in perfect condition in the original box. Then I have this clear glass pedestal, this little candlewick bowl, both of which I found at Goodwill. I've got a teapot sitting on top of a milk glass plate. The creamer and sugar belonged to my wife's grandmother. And then this beautiful cheese dome is one that I picked up at the same thrift store where I got the strawberry tablecloth. I'm thinking they might have been donated together from somebody's strawberry collection. So let me step back and show you this. I asked my daughter which tablecloth she thought I should use, and she said that she thought the strawberry one screamed summer, and I think I agree with her. So let's get started, and I will set up this summer tea party tablescape. All right, and here's the finished product. I think it came out so cute. I love the strawberry tablecloth. It's so festive and summery. Look at that. The cheese dome goes perfectly with the tablecloth. And I love that the snack trays are clear so you can see the strawberry pattern through the glass. These precious little napkins, which I did get at the same thrift store, I think I forgot to mention that as the tablecloth and the cheese dome. They look so great with the little snack trays because of their petite size. And the cutlery from my mom is very fine, so it's perfect for a tea table. And we've got our goodies up here on the pedestal. My son was asking what they were for, and I said they're a video prop, but you can eat them when we're done. So as soon as this is over, I'm sure those will be eaten. And here we go, all 4 table settings. This little candlewick dish would be perfect for lemon slices for people who take lemon in their tea. Over here we have our cream and sugar and our teapot. And there you have a beautiful strawberry themed summer tea table.
Summer is upon us, and today I have created for you a summer tablescape inspired by all things blue and yellow. In this video, you will see my tablescape is comprised almost exclusively of pre-loved, thrifted, and gifted items. And the inspiration for my summer table is this beautiful teapot and this lovely card that my beautiful mom made for me. Welcome to my yellow and blue summer tablescape. For today, I am inspired by this teapot, which is an Andrea Sadek teapot. It is quite large, and I purchased this for $1.99 at the thrift store. It is brand new. It was purchased, still had its tags on it. It was purchased at a museum gift shop. I have put inside it some yellow flowers. And as I mentioned in my intro, I was also inspired by this beautiful card that my mom made for me. And I love blue and yellow. So I thought this would be a great inspiration. So let's start with this tablecloth. You have probably seen this before. This was purchased at a thrift store for $3. And let's talk about serving dishes, and then I will get to the plate settings. I am a big fan of using clear serving dishes in my tablescape. This for two reasons. One, it creates a simple look and it doesn't obstruct the view. And it goes with all of the other dishes. And I'm envisioning this table would be a either lunch or even a family barbecue. So this is a really sweet cake pedestal that I recently purchased for $1. It is petite and it holds a 6-inch cake, which is perfect since we all have birthdays in June. And this was the perfect piece for my son's 6-inch cheesecake, which was his cake of choice. This is another recent purchase. This is a cut crystal bowl, and it is perfect for a potato salad or a pasta salad. And you may be thinking, really, cut crystal for a pasta salad or potato salad? But I'm going to let you know this was $1. And I can't do any better at the dollar store. So yes, we are eating potato salad or pasta salad out of this bowl. And then over here is my handy dandy sandwich server, which I think I use this probably as much as any serving dish I own. And let me tell you, it is perfect for hamburgers and hot dogs or sandwiches. You can put your burgers and hot dogs on it, and it's easy to transport from outside to the table. These plates you have seen before. These are the Libby Duratuff plates, and they are so summery to me and perfect for a salad or dessert. Down here at the end, this was a last minute addition. When I was shopping the house for blue and yellow, we are big fruit eaters, and my daughter had given me this really cute blue and yellow berry basket that she got at a gift store here in Vermont. And I thought it would be really cute with some fresh strawberries in that. So let's talk about the place setting. So the place setting is anchored with the classic blue willow plate. I have a set of these and I just find them so handy. These are dishwasher safe and just a really great everyday dish. And I think they look great on the yellow table. I did not use tablecloth. I did not use a charger for this because I just wanted the simple. And I have a napkin. These were a set of 4 blue napkins for $1 that I thrifted. And I find these to be extremely handy. I grab these a lot. And I just did a simple fan fold on those and stuck a silver and gold napkin ring in them. The water or iced tea glass is just this Wexford pedestal glass, perfect for water or iced tea. I think those were 50 cents at the thrift store. And then I also have these beautiful, which you have seen before, flatware. This is the solid bronze vintage flatware set that I purchased at a yard sale, and I absolutely love these. I love the bamboo design. I think that caps off my summer tablescape.
My summer tablescape features many thrifted items, including the table and chairs themselves. The table and chair were picked up through the Facebook Marketplace, and they're iron table and 4 chairs that sit out on our patio. And we often have dinner or coffee and breakfast out here. The table set, I believe I picked up for $150, and it was in perfect shape. So on this tablescape, I featured one of the vintage tablecloths from the June thrift find of the month. So this is one of the tablecloths that I purchased for $12. I just liked the summer feel to it. And this is really a garden luncheon set for 4. So I tried to carry those garden colors and the garden theme throughout this tablescape. So at each table setting, you will see a napkin that was thrifted, green napkin, folded into a pocket to hold the silverware, and I stuck in a little seed packet for my guests to take home. The dishes are from a local potter. I've been collecting them for years. These are not thrifted. These I do purchase. And I recently weeded out and I kept my most favorite pieces. And I love the shape of these plates. They're perfect for luncheon. If you have a little fruit salad and then a sandwich or soup and sandwich, they're the perfect size. The little green cups are going to be for fruit salad, and those I thrifted at our local thrift shop. I got 8 of them for $15. The green cups I also thrifted, or the glasses, the water glasses, and those I got a set of 12 for $10. And they're a beautiful green, so I'm carrying those greens and blues through. So each table setting is set up in the same way, although the pattern on the plates differs. They're not all the same. Each one is a little bit different, although they carry, again, those blues and greens, you can see. And I'll come over here, and there's one more. And the potter is Susan Leader, and she's a Vermont potter. In the center, I have a tray that houses the water pitcher, which I thrifted. I don't remember what I paid for that, but probably no more than $10. A set of candlesticks that I did purchase on clearance. I just liked the way they looked. The little red salt and pepper holders, they're like little red peppers. And a little mustard dish that I got at an estate sale for $2, and a tiny little watering can to kind of get that garden theme. I collect a lot of little things for my windowsills, and this was one I saw at the thrift shop for $1. The vase is a different local potter. I picked up this at the thrift shop. I'm always on the lookout for pottery of people that are local, that I know the name of when I go to thrift shops. And this is a potter in my town. And again, the blues and the greens. And today I was at the grocery store, and they were giving away free 4th of July flower bouquets. So I picked out the reds from that bouquet, and I just used the purples or the blues and the whites for this tablescape. And the table sits right next to our rock wall, and behind that rock wall, I'm just going to give you a quick little glimpse of my own flower garden because it's starting to look really pretty. And it goes all the way around the stone wall. And so that is my summer tablescape. Thanks for watching.